I've been exploring the Blink Cash Advance app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Blink Cash Advance app. Blink Cash Advance is a financial app designed to give Floridians quick access to small cash advances when they need it most. Instead of waiting days or dealing with complicated loans, Blink lets you request money, up to $100 or even $200, and get funds transferred to your bank account in minutes. It's meant to help cover urgent expenses like rent, groceries, or gas without falling into the payday loan trap. In terms of features, Blink charges just one flat fee at repayment, no interest, no surprises. The app connects securely with most US banks and works with prepaid cards too. It uses AI to analyze your real bank activity for approval rather than relying on credit scores, which is helpful if you're underbanked or have less than perfect credit. There are built-in tools for tracking your spending and bill alerts, and the app keeps your data safe with bank-level encryption. From my personal experience, setting up Blink was pretty simple. I linked my bank account and was able to request an advance quickly when I needed it. The money arrived fast, which helped relieve some immediate stress. I appreciated the transparency. Knowing exactly what fee I'd pay felt much better than confusing payday loan rates. That said, some parts of the app felt a little confusing at first, like finding the instant cash advance option. Also, customer support seemed slow to respond when I had questions. It's worth noting Blink is currently only available to Florida residents, so that limits who can use it. On the downside, a few users have reported trouble logging in or even unexpected charges, which could be concerning. The app's documentation and support links also left some people feeling unsure. Plus, while the flat fee is clear, it can be somewhat high compared to other quick cash services, especially if you're using the instant transfer option. Overall, Blink Cash Advance offers a straightforward, safer alternative to payday loans with quick cash access and no credit checks. So if you're in Florida and need emergency funds quickly, it's definitely worth checking out. Just be mindful of the fees and customer support limitations. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.